We have a hummingbird stuck in the house that we need to get out. And Josh is going to try to get him and very gently lift him up and get him back outside where he belongs. You hear him chirping.
Move back next to me.
I will. I'm just trying to get it. There. Josh has him. There we go. There you go, little thing.
That's stuck in a spider web.
Aw. Get that off its wing.
Oh goodness, it's stuck in the spider.
It's got a spider web on its wing. Oh my gosh.
Oh no.
You don't let it smash into the ground. There we go.
We can't, it can't fly well when it's kind of stuck up in the spider web.
Well, maybe you need to put him on the ground and let it preen itself clean. It'll probably take care of itself. It's just scared to death right now.
Oh, that's gonna go. I want it to go back in the house.
There it goes.
There it goes.
Well, that was cool.